Hello, ma. Apo, malapit na po ako. Pero parang sa Batangas na ako bababa, ma, kasi ang ganda kasi ng movie dito sa bus. Sayang naman, Avengers. Tapusin ko na. Okay, sige, thank you. Harang naman to si kuya. Pero, to be honest, I felt betrayed, Tito Boy. Kasi kahit sa anggulo ko tingnan, tatay ko siya eh. Yung akala mo mababadig kayo sa gubat, pero gagawin ka palang alay. My relationship with my dad, I would say it's not the same anymore.
Valley, praise on the mountain. Yeah. I praise when I'm sure. Praise when I'm down.
Anong gupit natin, sir?
Hindi. Walang trim. Siguro ano lang tayo, hot oil, relax, or di kaya ribbon, ganun.
Okay po, sige. May event kayo, sir?
Oo, may laban eh. Oo. Ayaw niyong sumamba sa inimbento kong Diyos. Kung ganon, itapo na mga yan sa hudno!
I'm smarter, baby, smarter. Smarter, baby, smarter. 하나 보면 열 가지. 간파해서 돌려가지.
Isa sa inyo ay tatraidorin ako. Ako po ba yun, Panginoon? Hindi ikaw. Ako po ba yun, Panginoon? Hindi din ikaw. Ako ba yun, Panginoon? Ano ba yun, Panginoon?
Tao po.
Ano yan?
May asin po kayo?
Meron.
Kami din, meron.
Yan lang, pre. Nasa likod ako. Gigay, pasok. Ba yan, dulas ang kamay ko. Huwag niyo, Chase, pre. Tayo niyo, oh. Tara.
Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Only thing that's saving you.
Yeah, bobo. Alin, pre? Ay, di, pre. Wala.
My gosh, come in. Ayan, pasok kayo and welcome sa aming humble na tahanan. Siyempre, bilang asawa of the chairman, dapat hospitable tayo. I recognize like a home buddies when I see one. Uy, Day Arlene, ang ganda-ganda naman pala ng loob ng bahay mo. Uy, maliwalas ba? Thank you, Manang Yols. Yan sila, Ma'am Arlene. Hindi yan sila bumibili sa sari-sari store ko. Social kasi yan sila. Doon yan sila mabili lagi sa supermarkets. Pero okay lang naman. Thank you talaga sa pag-invite, Ate Arlene, ha? Kahit kakalibat lang namin dito ni Nelson. Honestly, curious ako kung magkano yung bill ng kuryente nila, Ma'am Arlene. Naka-on lahat ng aircon tsaka daming appliances. Ako, darling, that's why nga I invited you, para you'll have friends here na. You know, the thing about Arlene, she always really wants to impress. Oh, mga mari, naghanda pala ako ng merienda for everyone. I hope you like it. Ay, sus, nagabala pa talaga siya, oy. Inoo ko. Why lami? Why is it so pale? Sige, kain lang. Ay, hala. Turn out? Dali, Day. May ilaw man dun sa bilyaran nila, boy, oh. Naputulan ata kayo, ate. Not so impressive anymore, are we? Ako, yan na nga ba sinasabi ko? I think we forgot to pay. We missed the due date. Ay, ate, di po kayo nakaka-receive ng text reminders or advisories from Meralco? Ha? Meralco texts you guys? Also, paano malalaman ni Meralco ang contact information ko? Nakapangalan pa sa tatay ni Chairman ang bill namin here. Hindi pa siya na-update. Arlene, it is very important for you to update your contact information so you can get notifications for your bills, payments, brownout alerts, and other advisories through your preferred channel. It can be SMS, email, or both. Apparently, I didn't know you can do that. Oh, it is very easy. Just go to this website right here to update your contact details and other important information. Update. Paradigm late. Ay, it's that easy lang pala. Okay, I'll do it na after ko magbayad now. Ma'am Arlene, nandito na ako. Ay, bakit madilim? Aba, teka. First lady, naputulo ng kuryente. Iba din. Paano ako magmamani-pedi kung ang dilim, aber? Buti na lang kamo may papansit. Na hindi din masarap.
Uy, babe, sumali pala ako ng run club.
Okay, fitness.
So, sumali nga ako ng run club.
In her skinny era.
Mayroon nga kami this Saturday.
Skinny core.
By the way, nabayaran ko na yung utilities, ha?
Mother.
Pati yung rent.
Honestly, slay.
Kaya sa sahod, send mo sa akin yung hati mo sa mga yon.
It's giving financial stability.
Serve.
Okay, Crunchy.
It's the new Jollibee Crunchy Chicken Sandwich. Crunchy, tasty, sarap in every bite.
Charap.
Ano yung sa'yo, ate? It's the Jollibee Chicken Sandwich Supreme. Supreme! Large, crunchy, and juicy chicken thigh filet sandwiched between buttery brioche buns.
Literally ate and left no crumbs.
I just got back from Abinyagan. Needless to say, I gate crashed. Well, the baby was so cute. The food, however, not so. The lechon skin was so gamey, I thought I'd be chewing it for the whole eternity. The grilled chicken, or should I say cremated? The spaghetti was so bland I couldn't taste anything. I thought I had COVID. And the pancit was so pale you'd thought it never had breakfast. It's about to faint any time. And the lumpia, oh dear God, the lumpia. It was so shriveled and so stale, I mistook it for kikiam. Well, they did overcompensate for the sweetness of their fruit salad. One bite is all you need, diabetes guaranteed, like you'd be blind when you wake up the next morning. Or worse, amputated. Yes, I did a little bit of Sharoning. They didn't mind. Or at least that's what I thought. So the bottom line is he's being summoned to the barangay tomorrow morning.
Disturb.
By the way, where are we going?
Iwan ko dahil nagsunod lang naman ako sa'yo.
To Batanes.
Sweetheart, good morning. Look, at 7 a.m. na. It's your first day of school. Yes, it is. Are you excited? Okay, get out of bed na. Yaya made some pancakes. Let's go.
Ay, senyorito, bumangon ka na dyan. Anong oras na, oh? Sas, kami dati, gantong oras, nakaakyat baba na kami sa bundok. First day of school, tanghali pa rin kayo gumising. Hoy!
Sweetheart, I picked out na the outfit for you pala, ha? What do you think?
Ay, kay sino ba ang hindi mapuyat? Na wala mang ginawa kundi magdudot-dot ng cellphone hanggang madaling araw. Hoy, bilisan mo dyan sa banyo ha, baka natunga ka na naman dyan.
Oh, by the way, sweetheart, I told Mang Bernie pala ha to sundo you early this afternoon because we're gonna have to go shopping pa for your other school supplies.
Wala na palang mantika. Nak, bumili ka muna ng mantika doon ka na ilasa. Masusunog na tong kawali. Bilisan mo. Andyan sa taas ng ref yung barya.
And also, I prepared seared shrimp salad for your baon.
Sas, napakaparitso. Kami dati, magbalot lang kami ng tuyo at kanin sa dahon ng saging. Masaya na kami. Saka, anong inarte-arte mo? Masarap pa niyang chicken nuggets. Huwag kang mag-alala. I-level up natin yan gamit itong honey mustard, dips and dressings ng Clara Olay.
I know you're a picky eater, so here's a quick and easy fix for this salad. Haitian dressing ng Clara Olay. Clara Olay Dips and Dressings is a ready-to-use dipping sauce and salad dressing in one. You can even use it for sandwiches.
Napaka-convenient pag sa mabilisang preparation. Mapadiping sauce man yan ng pritong ulam or chips.
Galing, right? For easy cooking, it's Olay you need. Here you go, sweetheart. Good luck on your first day of school, and I am so proud of you.
O siya, magsilayas na kayo nang mabawasan ang konsumisyon ko dito sa bahay. Pagkatapos ng pasok ha, diretso uwi. Pag nalaman ko na nagala-gala ka pa, makikita mo.
빨리 좀 더 다녀자. 이네. 그리고 후라이드 치킨, 아메어 양념치킨, 안짜라 간장치킨, 그리고 감자튀김 라지랑 콜라 서비스로 돼.
야, 아케냐네. 야, 녹차탈가 갚아야 뭐, 어떡해, 진짜. 그러니까 사요.
Si OA. Don't worry. I know you like Korean food, so I got you something from 7-Eleven.
Ay, we, 7-Eleven?
Yes, the new 7-Eleven Chef Creations and Romantic Papoy. Enjoy your fave Korean dishes like the beef bulgogi set, jeyok rice bowl, and samgyup gimbap that is made more sulit and convenient kasi it's available na in 7-Eleven stores near you. Iba!